Hi guys, are you looking for the best Artistly AI coupon code? So, you're in exactly the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unlock the latest and most effective Artistly coupon code. A real, working code that gives you access to the best deal available whenever you're watching this. Let's get right into it. Here's how you can claim your Artistly coupon code in just a few quick steps. Step 1. Scroll down to the video description. You'll find a special, pre-activated link waiting for you. Step 2. Click the link to visit the official Artistly coupon store where you will find all the updated and real-time coupon codes. Step 3. Pick the plan that suits your needs and click Get Code. Your exclusive coupon code will appear instantly. Please note the code won't be displayed here on screen. That's intentional because Artistly AI updates their coupons regularly, especially during seasonal promotions and flash sales. The link in the description is always synced with the latest deals, ensuring you never miss out on savings. Just copy the code, apply to checkout, and watch your total drop instantly. It's fast, secure, and gets you the best available offer every time you use it. So go ahead, click the link below, grab your Artistly discount. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more great deals. It would mean a lot.